Hi guys! Good day sa lahat ng nanonood. And today, tuturuan namin kung paano mag-sell ng Bitcoins on localbitcoins.com. Alright? So, para magbenta ng inyong Bitcoins sa localbitcoins.com, kailangan na meron kayong BTC on your local Bitcoins wallet. So, meron dapat siyang balance dito. Alright? Para maka-receive ng balance na or ng Bitcoins, okay, you need to follow this few simple steps. First of all, log into your account and click on your wallet. So, click mo to. And then, this is the address of your local Bitcoins wallet. Kailangan mo tong i-copy at i-send dun sa sender. So, there are two ways para gawin mo yun. Pwede mong i-highlight or i-highlight mo lahat tapos i-copy mo by Control-C sa keyboard mo or pwede mong pindutin tong auto copy, alright, na button. And after that, actually if there is an alternative way to do it other than manual copying, pwede ka rin gumamit ng QR code scanner kung meron kang iOS or meron kang Android device. So scan mo lang to para makuha mo yung wallet address mo at may send mo dun sa sender. Okay? Yung mga bitcoins mo, magdi-display yan sa local bitcoins wallet pagkatapos ng ilang confirmation sa blockchain. Alright? And then, kapag meron ka ng bitcoins, alright, kaya ito meron siyang balance, pwede ka na mag-sell ng bitcoins. Simple lang naman yung gagawin mo. First is, step 1, click mo yung sell bitcoins. Pangalawa, piliin mo yung currency. So, since nasa Philippines tayo, Philippines and PHP, of course, and then choose the payment method. Click on all online offers, then click mo lang yung search. Right? After mo maklik yung search, lalabas na naman lahat ng list ng buyers na available. Okay? So, pili ka lang ng isang buyer na makakamit dun sa needs mo. And i-click mo yung sell. Alright? Click mo tong sell button. So, mag-pay attention ka lang dun sa trader's rating. Gaya niyan, 100%, 100%. Meron siyang percentage ng rating. And yung color ng circle, malapit dun sa rating. So, kagaya nito. Yung circle na yan. Yan, yung maliit na yan. Yung green color, gaya nito, means yung trader is online and ready to trade na. So, mas maganda makipag-transact. Kung meron ka dyan makita na green color at siya yung pinakamaganda na pwede mong benta ng Bitcoin mo. Okay? Tapos after that, click mo lang yung sell button. Alright? Tapos after that, makikita mo yung info about sa payment method mo. Okay? So, dito, ilagay mo lang kung ilang BTC lahat yung gusto mong ibenta. Or pwede rin ilagay mo yung currency. How much ba yung in your currency yung gusto mong mabenta. So, lagay mo lang dito kasi automatic naman nagpa-populate yan kung magkano yung exchange rate. Alright? Click mo lang yan. Tapos, meron din dito sa baba na this is like a comment box or comment section. So, i-type mo lang dyan yung type mo lang dyan yung contact message mo, like your phone number or contact details. That's purely optional, pero I suggest lagyan mo na rin. Okay? Tapos dyan, makikita mo yung trader's term dito sa taas. So, basahin mo lang to. Dyan mo makikita yung amount, rating ng buyers, yung kanyang term. So, basahin mo na yan lahat. Minsan mahaba, minsan maikli. Right? Then, kapag ready ka na, i-press mo na itong send trade request, itong green button na to. Press mo na siya. Alright? And, hintayin mo na sumagot yung bibili. Okay? Usually, hindi naman yan masyado matagal eh. Okay? After that, dito pwede kang lalabas tong page na to. Dito sa may part na to, pwede kang makipag-communicate dun sa buyer. Tapos i-clarify mo yung details ng payment. Okay? And then dito naman sa part na to, pwede mo ditong makita yung trade info, okay, amount, rating ng buyer, at yung terms. Okay? Basahin mo lang yung terms. Okay? Clickable naman yan. And then, kapag successful na na-receive mo na yung payment, wag mong kakalimutan na i-press tong release Bitcoins. But, make sure na i-release mo lang to kapag sure ka na talaga 100% na na-receive mo na yung bayad dun sa Bitcoins mo. So, press mo lang yan. Alright, so that's it. Ganun lang kabilis at ganun lang kadali mag-sell ng Bitcoins sa localbitcoins.com. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope to see you again on the next tutorial videos. So again, thank you so much and have a great day. Together we change the world.